Hello everyone, I am Reena Catherine, Assistant Professor in Department of Commerce, Dr. S.N.S.RCAS College of Arts and Science. Today we are going to see about what is stock market and its history, functions and more. First, we have to know about what is stock market. Stock markets are venues where buyers and sellers meet to exchange equity shares of public corporations. Stock markets are components of a free market economy because they enable uh, democratized access to investors, trading, and exchange of capital. Stock markets creates efficient price discovery and efficient dealing. The stock markets allows buyers and sellers of securities to meet, interact and transact. The marketers allow for price discovery for shares of corporations and serves as a uh, barometer for the overall economy. Buyers and sellers of assured of a fair price, high degree of liquidity and transparency as market participants compete in the open market. A stock market is a regulated and controlled environment. In the United States, the main regulators includes the Securities and Exchange Commissions and the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority. Stock markets provides a secure and regulated environment where the participants can transact in shares and other eligible financial instruments with confidence with zero to low operational risk. Operating under the defined rules as stated by the regulator, the market act as primary market and secondary market. As the primary market, the stock market allows companies to issue and sell their shares to the public for the first time through the process of initial public offering. This activity helps companies raise necessary capital from investors. History of stock markets. The first stock market was the London stock market, which began in coffee house where traders met to exchange traders in 1773. The first stock exchange in the United States began in Philadelphia in 1970. The Buttonwood Agreement, so named because it was signed under a buttonwood tree, marked the beginning of New York Wall Street in 1792. The agreement was begun by 24 traders and was the first American organization of its kind to trade in securities. The traders renamed their venture the New York Stock and Exchange Board in 1917. The modern day stock market actually evolved over many centuries. Early brokers traded markets as well as various types of debt starting in 12th or 13th century. By the 1060s, it became more common for companies to raise capital by selling shares of their stock to finance new enterprise as well as global exploration. Functions of stock market. Stock markets serve as a range of several functions in the financial systems of an economy. Some of the key functions of the stock market for investors as well as companies are capital formation. One of the primary function of the stock market is to facilitate the raising of capital for business. Companies issue stocks to raise funds for various purposes such as expanding operations, investing in new projects and research and development. By purchasing these stocks, investors provide the necessary capital that helps business grow and create economic value. And second was liquidity. The stock market provides liquidity to investors by offering a platform where they can buy and sell stocks easily. This liquidity is important as it follows and allows investors to convert their investments into cash relatively quickly. It encourages investment by providing an existing strategy for investors who wants to sell their holdings. Next one is price discovery. The stock market is a market where prices are determined based on the supply and demand of stocks. It serves as a platform for the investors to express their opinions about the value of the company. The constant trading of stocks leads to the establishment of market prices that reflect investors' perceptions of a company current and future performance. Next one is risk diversification. At the time, the stock markets enable investors to diversify their portfolios risk by holding shares in the different companies across various industries, reducing the impact of poor performance in any single investment. Next one is benchmark of performance. Stock market indices such as S&P, BSE, Sensex, NSE, Nifty, BSE 200 serves as benchmarks for the overall performance of the market or specific sectors. Market efficiency. Efficient stock markets incorporate available informations to stock prices quickly and accurately. This encourages companies to provide accurate and timely information to the public, promoting transparency and efficiency. In a sense, stock market serves as a financial hub where investors, companies, and the economy coverage. Thank you.